Hey, good morning everybody. This is the Arsenal 2011 A1 made in Italy, custom made, double barrel, 45, 1911. But this is the 2011 A1 Arsenal Firearms. Are you guys ready to have fun today? I hope you can tune in. Make sure you subscribe. Well, there you have it. 2011 A1 Arsenal Firearms came out 3 years ago, and this weapon was gun of the year at the SHOT Show in 2016 and 15, I believe, where I saw it and I had to buy it and I couldn't decide, so I bought all three versions that they had at a time. Double barrel. (1911), the 2011 Arsenal Firearms, made in Italy. This one is number 218 that was made. Tactical. Make sure you subscribe.